Let's take a look at how to set up the digital key during the initial setup. Activate the Kia Digital Key app screen and place the smartphone on the authentication pad. On the infotainment system screen, go to Setup, Vehicle, and then press Smartphone Key to set up the digital key. When using the digital key through your smartphone, you can start the engine, unlock the door, and remotely share the digital key. On the infotainment system menu, go to Profile Settings and select Link Digital Key. You can use various personalized functions such as climate control and built-in cam. Save seat and mirror positions to suit the driver's preferences. You can also set up the head-up display system, which shows the display screen and key navigation information on the windshield. When the engine is on, shift the gear dial to park and adjust the seat, outside rear-view mirrors, and steering wheel to suit your preferences. Then press one of the 3 buttons on the driver's door. A beep will sound and the seat position will be saved. To change the seat positions, simply press one of the 3 buttons and the seat will automatically adjust to that saved position. On the infotainment system, go to Setup, Vehicle, Seat, and select Smart Posture Care to save the seat position recommended based on your physical information. The built-in cam feature that can be set to steering wheel custom button to register features such as reject and voice memo. Press the star-shaped custom button on the right side of the steering wheel to activate those features. It's even more convenient because you can register different features with 2 custom buttons. Let's take a look at the Bluetooth multi-connection feature, which lets you connect 2 devices at the same time. On the infotainment system screen, select Setup, and you'll see the device connections icon. Go to Device Connections and select Bluetooth Connections. Select Add New at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you'll see the hands-free calling and Bluetooth audio features. Select the desired features, tap OK, and search for the vehicle name on your Bluetooth device to connect. The passkey and connection request message will appear on your device and on the screen. Press the Connect button on the Bluetooth device to connect with the vehicle. Tap the Media button on the Info Climate Control system to set media settings. On the screen, select the Switch Bluetooth device icon to easily change the audio streaming device. Let's also set up K8's rear occupant alert to prevent leaving your kids and pets in the car. Go to Setup, Vehicle, Convenience, and select Rear Occupant Alert. If the driver gets out of the vehicle while passengers are in the rear seats, an alarm sounds and a notification message will appear on the cluster. Then, the doors will lock, a second alarm will sound, and a rear occupant alert text message will be sent via UVO. Swipe the infotainment system to the left and select the user's manual icon. Scan the QR code on the screen with your smartphone. It will take you to the infotainment user's manual screen, where you can easily find information on K8's smart features such as navigation, UVO, driver assistance, and vehicle setup.